This is Diecast Dave here. I got an unboxing video from a giveaway I won from a good friend Kibbo from Indonesia. I googled Indonesia and it's 9,700 miles from where I'm at, right here. Thank you a whole lot, Kibbo. Y'all go check out his channel. I'll leave a link in the description. He sent me well, I got these in he sent them in protective boxes, and he also put silica desiccant gel in them to keep them from drawing dampness. And I mean, these things were super wrapped. I mean, awesome. Here, first thing he sent me was a 90 Honda Civic EF. Well, hold on a second. Where's the rest of the stuff? Oh yeah, let me show you this first. He even sent me a flag of Indonesia. Ain't that cool? My grandfather was stationed in the Philippines and New Guinea in Australia during World War II, which is very close to Indonesia. My uncle was near there in Vietnam. I appreciate this flag, Kibbo. It's real cool. Real cool of you to send me that. Like I said, first thing I'm going to show you is the Honda Civic EF that he sent me in a short card. And he sent me a couple of stickers of his channel. It's in a protective case. This is way cool. Kibbo, I'll never get rid of these. They're part of my treasure trove, the stuff that I'll never get rid of. I never give away a gift that I get, ever. I never have. I've got tons of stuff people gave me over the years. It's very special to me. That's a superb casting right there. And then the next thing he gave me is the 90 Honda Civic EF. Super treasure hunt. It's in a protective case. I'm not going to take it out. You can see the silica gel. I guess he knew it was going overseas. It might get damp. I sure do thank you, Kibbo. It was mighty nice of you to send it all this way and what expense you've had to pay. Really, really nice. Y'all go sub to his channel. I'll wait. Tell him I sent you if you want to. It's Kibbo, K-I-B-B-O. He has a great channel. I really enjoy all of his videos and content. He finds some really cool diecast. And he sent me this as a bonus because he knows I love Batmobiles. The Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile. It's black with the red pinstripes, and the detail on this is something. Which he lives near Malaysia too, so that's right near the Hot Wheels manufacturing plant. Show it to you. Now you can tell in the case. I'm going to start doing videos. I'm going to start cracking my diecast because it's more interesting and I get to play with them that way. Can y'all see that detail? It's a little bit dark out here. I'm trying to look around it, but I don't need to. See if she'll focus there. That is really nice. Thanks for that bonus, Kibbo. Appreciate it, my friend. Appreciate that flag too, and that was cool. That was way cool. And I thank y'all for watching, and I sure do appreciate this, Kibbo, a lot. I'll keep it forever. Y'all go subscribe to his channel. Kibbo, K-I-B-B-O. Tell him I sent you. I'll be checking to see if you subscribe too. I'll catch y'all on the flip side.